So now the National Cathedral is what?
It's a National Cultural Center.
Former Member of Parliament for Tema. Is it Tema East or West?
Yeah.
And then former Deputy Transport Minister, former Greater Accra Regional Minister, a fan of dancehall King Shatta Wale.
I'm no more.
You are no more.
I'm no more his fan.
Oh, okay. You are no more.
Oh, I'm no more his fan. Way back.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Aquaman. Oh. Patrona hoye.
Na ayi kakra me ke ye o adrenaline akosoro de dindi. E na say aguru di na yedi.
Oh, Debbie.
Na woman me won say woman me won say
if you
to was
let me just retract that to make you comfortable.
Hey, na ko woman me officer me ma ja. Ye me ti kura say komra be hwe me a. Die me kura me sorry kura ko atwuma
ba. Well, I board members go from Ukraine. Is that difficult to get to? They know maybe why.
Because enye na me no shasi.
No question.
Enye ne.
No question.
2009. And is it gwabere ba me nchen.
Let me withdraw that one for.
Gwabere ba me nchen. Na say meeting office.
Na monyi National Cathedral in Friday and so.
Me ye meeting dia nkra. Esi kobra. Ba me nchen ya. Me sre meeting for no.
Board members ni bi ni e.
Me council class. Ebia ahwefo de nim ye ntam. And I will catch up one office. They didn't come and do. Hey, Emre Dani ampa. Kabra me Joso.
What about the former? Emre Dani.
Emre Dani ampa. Me na kabra etutu me wa takresa.
Oh, good. You know, there's always one thing I remember. Original Minister Mikhail said the effort you made in trying to reclaim government lands. Yeah. And this administration they follow up. Yeah. That's what they power.
You see the
passion with which you spoke, how could you now?
Yeah.
Ramsey Okoye, I'm telling you, the passion
and the way I will have drive this region, the propensity for fast money, greed. You power in a become galantias. Mitra, I spoke very. I spoke I have no problem. We need to build this country on the legs of discipline and respect to another. Cobra, at time. Look at what is happening. And the very people, in fact, when you curse unjustly, in the Bible, when you curse unjustly, Nyame bisa wasam. Bible say, uko. The book of Proverbs 26:2. Like a sparrow in its fleeting, like a swallow in its flying, a curse that is causeless does not alight. Meaning, a curse without a cause has no effect. It will not land on the intended purpose, but may backfire. Quote and unquote. Mm-hmm. That is Proverbs 26:2.
It will not land.
Na ushe kum chacha. He was cursing on ignorance because he had no full facts. We call it Osofo and a managing National Cathedral. What stops Osofo kum chacha? So beko Reverend Kusibuatingo, and now Apostle Nina Aloja
yeah.
To Joyce, find out
Joyce Aye,
as my mother Joyce Aye, make yourself available. Dear yetini, dear Koswana, me pacho nukre bende wobo. Na me gidi say me mami Joyce Aye, and na me brother Kusibuating, and na me Apostle
Pentecost.
Beka say, Osofo kum chacha, nukwane say the tie. She boni biankoso. But look at how these innocent, men of God were walked through. And Naminunti, Asofo Mpensenpensenmu nyina resign from the National Cathedral. Because they also did not avail themselves to know the truth that is there. And they sent them to gov't to get them hanged, crucified. Look at Reverend Odru. Shedikasa yeboni the video. And I'm sure say, after Deloitte Report, say, everything is intact, By this time, they will have had some remorse. I would have loved that they go back to the pulpit and pray and apologize for this country And the very people that have denigrated in this country, ye go muni maze, ya chumwa boso, and bibia. Kwabra, a dear end is for your demonstration, a culture home, ukuja to a black one, they were all there, diving into the water.
Making mockery.
Making all kinds of things. Me chini me enkeni this year. Is a we track through, sa wo safwa ayira poja. Ayira, we can preach. And then no kwena banu insembe na waka. If you come to power on the wings of deceit, lies, this is the price that you pay. Baby nana kufa do wobia nyame nhira no. Baby nana do wobia nyame nhira no. And apologies keep coming all the time because me better than tea. So we were come every juma. Continue to stand on your faith. You wouldn't want yam in terms of no corner would you? Because they did this. But posterity and time will judge everybody in Zambia. Me say me mintra and the president mama temu. Ni nyama oye na bishwe say ye na me criticize here. And say me criticize here. Mami nko kankasa sebi and say me be fi me nu abano. Because of mbuse mu me pe.
Hey. Now we there.
O mbuse mu e no nyama Papa. And he said, "Ako fado na mo di na tem. Obi kwanto me polish the shoe." But because of politics, you sit on a high horse and say all kinds of things. Now we di na tem. Who can say chaka. And then it's so being this cow. And you look at the people, the professionals that they are engaging to build this edifice, God. David say, "Sit down in your money." But Yankupon say, when someone aye moja wako kunwa esisi and the jai. Ma wo sources a wo Solomon no be sit down and famano. No be sit down in famano. When you go to Côte d'Ivoire, omo Cathedral na wo no. You know the money is making there? When him sika ye generate money. And the when na ye see no. And yet for the purpose of religious affairs, it's going to rake in revenue for the state. I disagree with the president's opposite tenure into a cultural center. No. If the Turkish government, through Rawlings, ex-President Rawlings, may he so rest in peace, and my Iska grant in the DC National Muslim Mosque, what stops us from getting our own? It is not for any reason. And many president in Yadwin say, you want to turn the place into a cultural center. No. We also have, as a Christian, we need to have an edifice that defeats us. Ahmed, my senior, what's the retract here? That's my senior in the chamber. Now he's the whole minister responsible for religious affairs, including chieftaincy and local government. Or Johnny, because as an elder of the church, at the time you should have taken your time. But because of political expediency, and you were katawani, now what ye and they are compared to me. Now you are being stuck on the face. After the very people you accuse, you want to sit down with them to break bread and discuss about the future of the National Cathedral. You know, it is so sad.
I don't know.
It is so sad. My brother, keep on your faith. You are leading
I just can't believe what's
Be
happening.
firm in your belief and your faith. So long as you know, say,
I don't know.
Suma wusumu usuwa nukwemu. Kwate mitifiena ye kama sem ewa temaista. We want to judge me with other people. I say, to God be the glory. To God be the glory. Don't run away from what you believe in. So long as you continue to hold your faith and serve your people. Because they are also here, NDC, Atro.
Can I have a
I think that Honorable Von D, not necessarily this administration, but there's something fundamentally wrong with the foundations of this country now. There's something wrong. We need to check it, because if we don't check the fundamentals, there's something wrong. Something major. It's cutting through. It's cutting through. All things that are done professionally and nationalistic, with patriotism, with love, with professionalism, all these things, we are drifting away. About journalists, oko traders, oko businessmen, oko a bank of ura oneya manual se bibia. And there's a certain fundamental, we need to find out that and fix the problem.
Mamincha na mincha wonia. Anya brea hweyen.
Na chairman mami.
Chairman Hakim Adey or yeah Council of State member. Mamincha me DC Yosin or ye Jumapa matri for Timokwa Efanintima Pefra seriously. And things are really getting well. I mean, there's so much hope. You know, our constituency must say, anyone here, all of them, I know my wife is watching. You know, look, Bible say, you were doing who crying. Nanyan na fatayen. You were doing who crying. Boss, me amiti hey, me mabri being shameso. If it say, me a Pentecost elder, my king can Bible na can ya National Cathedral no. Dear Mimi GD our National Cathedral no any, and I want viewers to judge me by my own words. Number one, baby, I any sino I wrong.
I hold on, come.
So we go bubu passport office. We bubu a judge for that.
Fresh.
No we bubu fresh buildings. Now we tam National Cathedral ko see hono. I wrong. And anya the papa number one. Mr. Justice say. So we call baby a Central University one.
I don't baby. If I'm right.
Dear we here say.
But this has been your position from day one.
Day one. From Tema. Motorway no.
Now shifted attention.
Expanded motorway no. Two going, two coming. Ubetimi aye easily. Now kwani mu ebie. And I said this is on the floor of Parliament in my first time.
But you've said it several times.
Nafa sa cathedral we.
Compia.
Nafa ko si ho. De ubaye ni say ebe brie economic activity wo nyina. Si aka East Legon. Aye school Legon no. And no na
attention.
In the Saudi National Cathedral ko si ho.
Attention beko.
Attention nyina beko ho. So the citation was wrong. Number one. Point number two. As at the time, yedi yewre akoshe cathedral ni yesi cathedral no. Was that a priority at the time? Nobody want to. I mean, Pentecost we have Yesu Krum. Oko Kasua. Then ya yekukuresi udru anya sam ketwa. Obi nka and na wenya osika odi si was already down there. Well, me, what's wrong with it?
So the second issue was whether it was relevant as of
at
that
time.
Looking at the needs.
So listen, looking at the needs of the country at the time. Tie, when him the entire nipa dodo no age sa your friend is saying fuel levy reform ya di once the beka. When him the nipa bebre age atumo no. Na no ya Yesu prophet wa na akọbọ mpa ese ma nsuo nto na ekomo ba ye ana wokotu maami so aka ne mole kakra ani anwa kakra wo be ye die no o prophet ne ka kire maami ne say ye bribi mami ni anza wo ye bribi mani di ye no o hra no broso jo mama tifu wo no so e ba fom eduru mpempeso agana fo nyina hu say ya tifu wo no so ampa answer all the levy beto so into be adipa bebreji tu mu hold on
cuz endis go na gitu
hold on answer that meba
cuz endis go na
me nua bema wo kasana ko
don't generalize it
me say nipa bebre
no
hold on let me finish
there's not now pros into
hold on
nipa do do
na endis go na mo je
nipa do na agitu
hold on meba say yeah nanka oh the cities is so good. Things are going well. That's yes, you best cathedral. And you go see baby papa. I don't think there will be this noise. But you see, you unveil yourself for all unnecessary criticisms. First of all, by citing that where it was not necessary, demolishing all those facilities when very irrelevant. And again, at the time, the economic situations that we had at the time, I mean, it was not a priority.
So no, at the time.
So leave all those things away. I have never ever spoken against
that
building a house. For God, and everybody knows that. But at the time and the citation, the place of It was wrong. It was irrelevant. So you open yourself for everybody to criticize you and to dig
Is
into
it
you.
right now to put up the convention, cultural center? Is it right now?
Okay, so listen. Say, see, I baby, I dream. Yanya bubu dan nyina wo hwewie. Yanya shasi a ye biribi wo hwewie. Edie na wo de beye. So you only me, if you ask me, that place is the best sited place for specialist hospital, children hospital, international hospital, to build it to a center. If you ask Bondi, David, that's what I would have been thinking about. But look, cultural center is not. I was in London about 2 weeks ago, and I went to the House of Commons and the House of Lords. You know, the historical, learnings and all that. When you say British or history, culture is so nice. So for me,
And you're bad.
but because at the end of the day, but you see, you can account for every money. But was it relevant what you used it for?
Okay, so that's another.
That is the point. Was it relevant?
No, that's one. At
the time.
That one, I'm sure.
So for me, I'm sure. National Cathedral.
The most important thing that we need to establish as a country, as a people, is that per the directive that was given to Deloitte and Touche to go and look into these matters of the cathedral, as it stands now, there's nothing untoward.
Well, that is what you may say, but whether it was relevant.
No, Pacho. And propaganda.
No, propaganda. No, that is what they said.
It is not just they. Please.
Now,
your government will not just go and pick anybody. Say, Uncle of this magnitude. Give them that credibility.
Yes, of course, I respect them. Yes.
So what I said, that is what they have brought out. So the lessons going forward, are a key for the development of our democracy and for our welfare.
I'm not impugning the results. I won't do that. Deloitte for the Abetuja. In any case, the emotion I don't even have any proof to say that is the totality of the report. Let's wait for the report to come out. In any case, I'm not doubting your integrity. Don't get me wrong. But the point I'm making.
You can't dare go to an international company like Deloitte. You sit here and you want to dent great, credible institutions like multimedia and Deloitte? Is that what you're referring?
No, I'm not saying that. But again, one Casa reporter say, report and mass totality have not come.
No problem.
So let's wait for the report. Let's read the report, and so we can go into it. Yeah. But again, the citation and at the time, that cathedral was not necessary. We didn't need the cathedral at the time. At the place it was cited. Wrong.
No,
totally wrong.
We need the cathedral. We need the cultural center. But don't say that the Okasa Bia or Mokoya in the I've always been Ube Kusi says Ube Camino Yagin. No, Opa do from the Bia Metromino Yagin. No, Baba Camino Yagin. And then I'll say we are say. Baby, I mean, Kim, when Free Bank say, we don't need it. What do we need it now?
No, I'm saying that at the time.
Okay.
You
speak.
David Yadwin is the sighting.
Yeah.
Because Accra is choked. So when you move it out, you open up the place. But you are refusing to admit, say, Manu Fafakasa Maka Editiadiano. And cleverly you try to give excuse of the sighting and the relevance. That is not the issue.
We're building arguments now for all.
And I want to restrict you to that. Because President Mama no audit no go. Because on him say, they are the full soldiers in Ekikano. They are vondi mu air cano. Sa bankrupt for na special prosecutor. Can of rather no. Thinking say, can of rather any MP before. Ye di ensam akobo a national cadets kadedi. But to God be the glory. Said Deloitte Report abedi dance say obiam first in second country. And that is the angle I'm expecting my honorable colleague to go there. To protect the image. Obiam wa bre osofo onyina Madam Joyce Ayi. Reverend Kusibuati.
These are distinguished personalities.
You have destroyed them. You can imagine. That's a Nimawa class.
It will be a challenge.
Oh my goodness.
It will be a challenge.
Said Nimawa class. Mebako school, Christabel. When I lost the election, you know how they mocked my daughter?
Honorable Worry.
Yeah, no. They mocked my daughter in class.
Affecting the.
So you could see psychologically, my daughter was not comfortable.
She wouldn't even want to go to school.
Yeah, why
you understand? But we kept encouraging her. So look, stand on your feet. Election is election. And the minya vako. Then the teacher wanted to be nice. Then later elevated to regional minister. Oh, your daddy is now. Me got on kasa very reserved. The teacher who was attacking me and mocking me, I want to be nice to them.
It happens to all of us.
So clearly back to that discussion. And the papa Kusibuating Onina Mama Joyce. Na se the manna ni nana no. Na mo gubo no masi. Also for draw. Also for kum chacha. And you denigrate these people. Now they've been exonerated. Thinking say when you US can be. And your sanity. Politics are your church and we want to build this country. Now said the Amudi year campaign. And because of that, you had votes out of it. Now you are staying on the face with the reality. Instead of you to come back, President Mama, Jitum, NDC for your Jitum, say young Kaseye, Ghana for Mufanchel. You want to hide behind this table. Give excuse, say, the citing and the relevance. Now when the catcher was there, if any saying, say, come do the background project what you're doing. Who told you that? Honorable.
Come to you by a year coin.
Yeah, coin.
Come to you.
Yes, this squad line.
Come to you.
No. No. Cool down.
I'm an same to do the
a comedy who can interest development. I was there. Who say, President Kufana Kanasem, who seems to know the cost of everything, but not value of everything. But the Nyantia say, Chechemne Bane say, if we are able to build this successfully, Sikebe from the Banokra, we can even use that money to develop this country. But because you just don't want to see the relevance of a human eye, because it's bad. It's bad.
Will you suggest that your party, your government should shift from the normal Franco different site? That has been your position.
Again, I have not changed my position.
Until common shifting for
So you per se you build something like that purely for economic benefit. It is not that place I see a site, That there's no two ways about that. And again, you see, say come diwa, and you may be an yo. Exactly. You see, Senka, near this asiki, a quick cast at Maquanya making a decodowenya, a buemu, a yet 2 lane going coming. Any idea we could see what it would have been meaningful, it would be economically viable. There's no two ways about it. But spending money to demolish all these structures, now this idea we could see one. No.
Okay, so
and so you see, when you do that, you open the Pandora, okay, for everybody to say anything to you. So they should take the criticism in good faith.
No, hold on.
And that's what it is.
No, hold on.
In any case, who says the fact that you account for the money that you put in the thing means that the money was relevantly used? You can't do that.
It's not for you to sit here and talk.
You can't even do that.
It's not for you to sit here and talk. And no Deloitte on teach. No more 3x4.
I am saying instead the report you brought may be correct.
Let us now say that
may be correct. But who says it was judiciously used?
No. You see, I don't know why you want to overstretch this matter. A president of the land,
yes,
has directed an international body to look
reputable. Of which I respect.
Yeah. So
and I agree.
No. But why are we, Pacho? What we want to kill this morning is that politics where we character assassinate. we blackmail,
which
we
is not
destroy,
good for anybody.
We insult.
I agree.
We propagate.
Excellent.
Lies.
I agree. It is not good for
Main
anybody.
punishing.
Even so, nipa kura ko
Not
nipa.
you.
Nipa kura mi na ebia we tabi ebia wan mo zo be fi o. Dabi awon ko be fi o. Oh, dabi je na kasha na egbubu. Go kwa enemy. Enemy.
No dey fe
yi. We mo na dey ni ehe.
No dey Deloitte you go.
Ona go we aka sika na
Oh, come on.
No asana ka tunlo.
Please go the
No asana ka tunlo.
What is happening?
No asana ka na
contract you are not going enough to admit your guilt. Now see what they're doing.
Angma report ye krojen ogbena.
Look at what they're doing.
No ni okesika atunwe. Ya the task okesika atunwe. No
Because
asana
it is a process. They are doing construction.
No me bibo.
It is construction they've started.
No me bibo.
Let me help you.
Is that what you're supposed to use that kind of money for at the time?
Your senior is talking. Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. Come now, let me give you 3 Bible quotations. Listen. James 3:1, and I quote, "Not many of you should become teachers, my fellow believers, because you know that we who teach will be judged more strictly. If a pastor misuses his tongue, especially by cursing others unjustly, he risks greater judgment from God." Number two, Romans 12:14. Or see, bless those who persecute you.
Let's go
Bless
to other
and do
issues.
not curse.
Finish this one.
A pastor, like any Christian, is called to bless and not curse, even in difficult situations. So clearly, I suffer.
So lots of the text messages. Lots of the text messages.
You understand?
Surprisingly, much.
It's sad.
Yes.
It's
because you see, if I want to interrogate that, you would know what I can explain.
Come down. They are using their.
I can explain.
The office.
So on the crano, a beating out of Oh my goodness.
How will I feel? What will I benefit?
You're making kind of text messages now, Mama.
Oh my goodness.
I appreciate the angles. In fact, a lot of them says that the citation, where the project is cited. No?
Yes.
Traffic, maybe overly jammed. They believe that now, crowd, we reconsider. Even though it will be double money because we have to put up buildings there for people to come back.
So we can put something very tall.
Yeah.
To build it down. We don't have a downtown. Go to Canada.
All of them are also worried about the kind of insults near Ekumu.
Which is wrong. I agree.
They are pleading that if indeed we are doing National Day of Prayer and Thanksgiving, there should be true repentance and a true reflection of our deeds. And I think it is fair. Sika Mekai say na macho sika na fi mababa kama pay for wrap up. We've taken this conversation for a good reason. Just 1 second. Then wrap up. Can I person ka?
Na say petrol say
Then what is it about petrol? What is it about the petrol?
Hey, come on.
Oh,
naturally. Would you man come from me from Moses here? Better move for TV.
What is it about? No, we are there.
No.
What is about petrol?
Now, be a family younger say.
We are be a wall there.
Oh, my name Fachan. Come on. Make I say either 2017 or 2018. Not taxes are nanado are buying free Ghana for so. Including benchmark value. We get 50%. Because we feel that we need to build traders, business people. So taxes do over close to about 14 to 15, including benchmark value. But covering them by, we have to go back because we couldn't go externally to look for funds to come and continue this development and all that. And then, NDC for Urbano, me brother Penny president, are two forcing, including yourself. I catch a Ghana for say, a tuana yeno, a dorsal do, ye buy bet you chum. Ye levy by no crown because even we don't have access to external funding sources. You need to look internally we be kwa fa so a we be jeni sika de fa no e yi lili buy e come ben this one come say wo tua sika 200 Ghana cedis because first 100 no ye ji to bia 1% any sika no e come no man come ye de yanyum eto ye e de boy adapa e ka kire say ye magana fo ho kire we who come first May any labor for Kasai 3 days after the May Day we were slapped with electricity increase of 14.5%. ye de boy asum shim any is about 4 or 3%. Minu kase na say ya yasatum 2.5%. Yasatum in this year's budget 2025 when him say that recovery sikana yajiji no there is 93 pesos on diesel yetua petrol 95 pesos different from one city here ye free yezamu. I'm telling you no ponkuma kasa kasa wonte in the budget 2025 budget no they have 93 pesos yetua every the liter biano which are 93 pesos on diesel then you pay 95 pesos. Now I for 1 Ghana would be share so. Compare. Ye levy sikana yetiano. So oka. Oka ni huni dize tajolete ozono. Olozono. Look at the fuel you are paying and you are collecting this money from us. Mukacha mu be do so. Mikasa mu ba e mo si do so be ni baby a. Kobre.
I hope you give me the opportunity.
Is
there a board member opportunity?
So you give me the opportunity.
We are not in propaganda.
You give me the opportunity to respond.
We are not in propaganda.
So it's a man.
President Mama,
no.
Please,
you equally.
Good.
President Mama, when that chatro is the Ghana for, and chatro will continue to expose them because we were catching and say, yeah, man Ghana for, who never you here. Or if you want to then you go and hide. Who can you 1 Ghana pay? No more give back 1 Ghana pay. Who want to catch it? And now me talk for no. Say, baby, I was a better no. It's what it because for every scabia would you know, there was a Mpensenpensenmu and your son was a big. And the GPITU, the Protoa,
you see,
progressive. All you people, because
we are not
truck driver, truck driver, fuel ourselves, or the good came, no, yet be cacano, what you feel some. Oko tumwa, Ubaga say, hey, I don't know to.
It use oil expensive.
Maybe I said because Usha fuel, Usha went tear, and then you factor any increasing face of transport.
Okay.
And to me say, President Mama. Any NDC abai. When you trantro, when you dada Ghana for, in Jamu ye who chile yen. Fuel of Sebitiano, and there and Cosa. Maybe you want to. John Jinapo, me bana mitieno. You were in the chamber where he made a statement. He used a word. He said, a government that has acumen, intelligent government. Sa one Ghana in a map to know and to. Okay.
So
yeah, but who's the calculations?
What does it? What
my education.
Number 1. Yaba Bemuda, His Excellency Mahama, Waba Bemuda, Full Assembly Yakanda. Asa, oh, my man. Asa na ye be fra Bemun. When him send 14 Ghana cedis per gallon. Into which 14 Ghana cedis by 4.5 a bema 1 him per liter. And ye free ho. And the MPP buy. This is crowd the MPP address cost could do 23 Ghana cedis per liter.
Where is the
Meba.
Give us
See, you don't go anywhere when you don't know where you are coming from.
What is this?
So when this
thank you. We are good man. Afetie. Miniwoka say ansana ye beba bemu 2025 you know. Na diesel ni na 17 Ghana cedis. Na petrol no eni nam 16 Ghana cedis. Sesi a miniwoka say petrol no yati so ama ebi mukra ton 11 cedis per liter. Ebi mutam 12 cedis per liter. So with the 1 cedi kan we wan be 12, with the 1 cedi kan we be 13. Okay, tie me ye. 16 Ghana cedi ni ebe tu na upe na upe 13 Ghana cedi per liter the on ape. So that is with the greatest of respect. I mean, with the greatest, it's just that I don't have any other word to use. There is no sense in the argument, say, yeah, the one city, Abeka Huntino, yeah, Dagana for an NK. What do you really want? Would you want the 16 cities per liter? Or you would want the 13 cities or 12 cities per liter? Which one would you have gone for?
So
for me, there is no argument in this.
There is, Patriot Thomas.
In any case, or can e-levy. E-levy, e-levy. And yet to bottom chrono ewi balao.
Debbie. Oh,
Jesus. I will explain.
We want to discourage that commentary.
Anyway, I take it back. I take it back.
Yeah,
I take it back. I mean, for the sake of our relationship, you know. Listen, would the levy a bar? Targeti, yeah, mammy, yeah, none more where crasia, say be ni on bottom. And in e-levy, you know. Would the tax about a yet double taxation? And any e-levy, you know, and yet it against the law of taxation, and yet, Sir Petra, some are yerking. So we are trot near a Juma or the car near me bois. So we are taxi near a Juma or the car near me bois. With this car. Anna, Sir Wan Casacabra, minuti, me war a tico be a musu. And yet, my Yamiadu, my scat or carby, and I'm team. And yes, mummy and Saway, na monfa one city, mbra. Sikadi yanko jin free obia owo ni ba bia woni hwidi hu unkutaka unka ho yeni ekutaka sabi ye fi sabi di kakra kuta ye no yeni eji one city ye ho ne ade ama ye nka ne eji na so
okay so
wo mpa wo yi a ade adi na obese ye different one.
I think it's what boa conversation with this education. What Honorable Titus Glover semete na se di opese o kire yase ne se Sa man yourself of convenience na ye no. Your approach in solving Ghana's problem can't be the same approach like that of the New Patriotic Party. Today, you feel that your performance no actually say can be near to fuel 16 and then you're the one crab can one 14. That's the reality or 13. Or not so na dream no. Sa brena or the a percentage eba abi no. He knew what has gone into that thinking and was at that material moment thought say that was one easy way out. I bet me a genetic internally. You vehemently gave it all kinds of names.
Yes.
Emma is so distasteful. Emma, a reasonable percentage of Ghanaians, a Ghanaians the Bosum be Sebi and Sebi Eba. And they once we hear the effort of all of us to agree to what you have said. That is the beauty of Kebima Minkebi. But it is not only when it's at your convenience. And now, so when say, yeah, dreaming of my Ghana. Because yesterday I started to say, oh, baby, I do so intimate consume consider about baby as my Ghana. So me cry me worry, they say, GOG projects, look at the delay. Donor funding, the contractor for no more pay. So, how do we do to have enough money to cushion ourselves and be able to work through some of these taxes? But kaide wo no abai mo ye.
The entire yes and say. Ye nua no man for prudent management. And fan share management of the economy.
And breaking news from the man say kwesiada na dwo mu we na dwoada no pa na buy no almost atisa bi.
So that is a perfect strategy.
Where was the consultation?
Hold on.
These people did not consult. You didn't consult.
It was a perfect strategy. Tie. So what did Nisika a free 16 CD and the buy 11 CD?
Nobody fights.
How many difference? I have 5 CD. And that's 5 CD. Yes, my 1 CD. And fama unkani nyina so. Number 2, dollar no na ye 17 Ghana. Ye buy ye na dollar ye 10 CD. Ye the 7 CD acha obotom ye yi bi. Enti sa 1 CD na ye gye no. Ye prudent economic management. And no ne aye. And then when I'm baby obi a bon sama ma his excellency ma say ye di proper management aba. Na mamo man profo kon ete. Wo bi akofa yi level aba. Then you
so your challenge is that their timing was wrong.
There was nothing to have justified the levy. Why would you do that?
Baby say, "What tractor? Say we suffer yira. We deponechi."
What would you suffer
yira? Prudent management. This government is not spending. The focus is on government compensation. The real spending, they are holding expenditure. They don't want to spend. And the men may create impression say, "Your mama here magic biya." Nothing.
Oye bibi. Don't run away. Don't run away from the fact that His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, 7 years in government, has turned a certain light on a day. He can't run away from that. He has a 4-year mandate. Please. I will not encourage that conversation because...
leave that for me to explain myself.
Roll the numbers.
And America say, running of economy, no, they are holding back expenditure. Apart from government compensation.
You were also not paying contractors.
Please.
But the economy was in a junk state.
Oh, my goodness.
Today, the economy is in B.
Let them begin to spend.
B almost A.
Let them begin to spend and let's see.
Don't worry. We will release 4 billion Ghana cedis for payment for contractors.
Let them begin to spend.
Was good.
It was very good.
And then the push is also good.
Absolutely.
And the
you know that thing. You are telling the truth.
Beginnings almost spend here. They will know whether this is cosmetic or this is real.
Okay, so we are counting down.
But Komna,
Memoir report about that. So I'm counting down a Sika star 2841 hash nafi option 4. Now they start 281. Nafi option 4 already did Juma. Nafi when Sika kakraka. So 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That's the number. Maybe you are the winner for today. 0553412 star 0553412 star. Now you are the winner for today.
For security reasons. Okay, I agree.
Yeah, that's you are the winner. Wrap up.
In fact, me miss your
opportunity. Briefly.
Opportunity, no.
Oh.
In fact,
what the big push by now?
Maybe IGP will be a channel the page. Na waye adibia mani aso. Me COP IGP yo no your deputy regional commander e Greater Accra under Madam Atingabio Rose. Then he rose to become the regional commander. Powerful woman. When we're in opposition. Then he rose to become, I think, the director of operations.
Yeah.
Director General Operations.
I knew him when he was Director General. Yeah.
And we share the trajectory of the promotion now. Adom Bikeke. On Kasa Bibiri. Very reserved, a serious-minded person, team player, or the BBC and so person.
Oh yeah.
It gets the gold.
Excellent.
Now, I think Monday and I said Nra, Dr. Godot, former one of the officers. On your case be at that time.
Yeah.
Now, a winning case, I think he won on the voluntary retirement.
Yeah.
I'm saying before or something. But when we say, with the support of his minister and government, he has been recalled into the service and elevated him. And I think a Bibia was a bonabaso. And you be they appreciate it. Say, Papa, you talent you kite ya odiako trefi. Even though your man appointment, our national security, he still thinks say, we here to add something in the running of this country.
Excellent.
And this sa adiena COP tete you will know IGP ayono. Yami shirano.
Good.
Yami bonabaso.
You see a good dream.
Minda president una say.
That's what we want.
No, one is bad outside.
A very good.
Don't go there. Keep quiet.
Very good. Famody. Do you see that the town is now cool? There is no noise. Everything is fine. One police. That is Tete Yehono.
And the Cobre. Baby. And the corner of a car.
I'm not making it.
Munyadians of a car.
Oh, can't money, yeah.
And the Jago, Iqua Motuna, Maune Jomo.
That's a different language.
Maune Jomo,
no Mauna Jobo.
Ne, Nuchimanaka would be.
Opino,
Mount Domina, Iliman Machu. No, you want Samina.
And the
Malanga, some Mekanaki, NDC talks and I eat Bianga Mamio.
But that's a different language.
That is
Dangway.
Dangway.
Zeni Papa Krobo from Sumania. And I'm Nimami free in Noa.
Okay.
And Dinami Bona.
Are you connected to Dangway?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. From
Olowe.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so
that is why you look like
I wish him well.
Sam George.
I don't know even does it.
Oh, that must hold my main rapper.
Wow, baby. Thank you so much. We appreciate you so much. Maybe,
Charlie.
Have a good day.
Yami Adoma, we are meeting. Bye-bye.